Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on how to switch a professional account to personal account on Instagram. So I'm just going to tap on the Instagram app. So you need to tap, then tap here the right bottom corner and simply tap on that, then tap here. So you can see it's now professional mode. So tap the three line and tap here settings and privacy and scroll down little bit. Then here you'll see the option creator tools and controls. Simply tap on that and scroll down again. Then you can see switch account type. Tap on that, then switch to business account or switch to personal account. So I'm just going to tap switch to personal account and again tap here, and that's it. So friend, today is no more, and thank you for watching.